At eto na naman tayo mga boss, mga master, at shoutout nga pala sa mga OFW na nanonood sa akin dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo at para dyan, umpisa na nating manakot.
This whole video was shared on YouTube more than 10 years ago about a ghost appearing behind a pantry door. It's still pretty spooky and exciting.
Alright. Film niya September 19. More than na nga. Uy, galing ah. Grabe, no?
Go. Wow. Go. Look out. Oh my god. What the? I don't know. That's crazy.
In the footage, you can see the hands pressing against the glass. And then the face of a person looking through the glass door. At first glance, you might think this is a prank of someone trying to scare the person. With the door open, you can clearly see that there is no space for a person to fit at all.
Maari nga rin na. Pero kung sa editing 'yan, lupit nito. Kasi kung baga sabi nga niya
Of a person
yung tao
looking
hindi kasya
through the glass door. At first glance, you might think this is a prank of someone trying to scare the person. With the door open,
Ayun, no?
you can clearly see that there is no space for a person to fit at all.
Pero sa inyo pa rin yan kung maniniwala kayo o hindi. Alright, so diretso natin. Pero bumilib ako doon bilib ako sa video na yan.
It happened in a supermarket in Mexico in the town of Tijuana when shoppers got scared by someone or something in the can-fruit aisle.
Oy.
First, you can see some strange distortions appearing on the video, moving up and down the aisle. Then some curtains fall to the floor.
Yun lang. Nakakatakot yung ganyan.
The thing is that someone could not be seen.
Pati normal naman sa mga ano rin yan sa mga grocery store or gano'n sa mga gano'n store na. Pero madalas makita dyan is shoplifter. Pero hindi, joke lang yun. Pero may maraming ganyan din talaga sa sa mga supermarket natin. Kumbaga hindi lang nababalita.
This next video has been shared before, but I thought I'd include it as it is quite bizarre. Two girls can be seen playing a game alone in their house when something absolutely horrifying is caught on the girl's camera while she's filming her friend. Watch this.
Are you sure? I don't think so. What's that? A bear!
Oh?
I told you, Don! I told you I seen something! Quickly, no. I'm back going
Tumakbo.
running right. What's it? See? What'd I say? Oh my god, what'd I say? It's gone! No, shush, no. No! No!
A creepy face peers in the
Ayan,
door and then vanishes. The girl with the camera spots whatever it is and charges towards it. When she gets to the door, she looks up the
Sa taas
stairs,
kaagad.
and what appears to be a figure of a woman with long, dark hair in a white dress is creepily moved to the top of the stairs. Horrified by what the girls have just seen with their own eyes, they flee the house and run out onto the street. While filming the house from the outside, a shadowy figure can be seen moving across upstairs window. Now, whenever I feature a video on this channel, I always try to spot camera tricks or acting just to ensure the videos I include are the best of the best.
Ayun na nga.
With this video, I simply cannot see how
Pero ang galing pagkakita nung multo rito sa taas. Sabi sinundan nung nung nagbibideo, nasa taas
this
kagad,
could
yo.
be fake.
Ayun, no. Pero sabi nga niya nasa sa inyo na nga kung fake, di ba?
No fade to black. There are no cuts in between.
Wala nga
Those
cut.
reactions seem completely legit.
Oo.
So what do you think? Did these two girls capture an actual ghost on camera? Or is it all just be? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments.
Ayun, comment nga raw kayo kung ano sa tingin niyo daw. 'Di ba? Pero ang galing-galing ng video na 'yun kasi hinabol kagad kumbaga nasa taas kagad yung multo. Tapos sabay takbo sila sa labas. Tapos tumaano naman sa loob.
This is a CCTV footage in Japan showing vehicles passing. And then, all of a sudden, something completely unexpected appears.
Ayan.
Something you wouldn't imagine the camera would ever capture.
August 15. Oh, yun lang.
If you notice the figure of the woman in white, she is just standing there, and a vehicle passes right through her as if she isn't even visible. But on CCTV, she couldn't hide. Would you believe it? Let us know in the comments below. And this is what
Kumbaga talagang kuling-huli, no?
you notice the figure of
Ayan,
the woman
no?
in white. She is just standing there, and a vehicle passes right through her as if she isn't even visible. But on CCTV, she couldn't hide. Would you believe it? Let us know in the comments below.
Kumbaga nga sabi, sa CCTV, huling-huli. Walang kawala. Pero nasa inyo na rin yan, no? Kung ano masasabi niyo doon, di ba?
And this is what happened to Heather and Joshua's family back in March 2019 when an unexplainable image was captured on camera in their child's room. Let's take a look, and you be the judge.
na, no?
In the video, you can clearly see a figure walking by as the child stares directly at it. Shortly after, the mother noticed scratches on her child, seemingly caused by an unseen entity. Do you think the figure captured on camera could be the previous owner? Comment your thoughts.
Ganun yung nangyayari sa bahay na yun, kaya ano. Pero ewan ko lang sa inyo, naniniwala ba kayo dun na ano, pwedeng maiwan ang kaluluwa? Pwede yung attachment, siguro ba ganun. Pero ewan ko lang kung sino nakakalam dyan, ano, comment nga kayo dyan. Kasi sabi nga di ba sa dulo yung may-ari dati. Ano sabi?
The scratches on her child,
Batay na, no?
seemingly
Pinalipot mo
caused
pala.
by an unseen entity. Do you think the figure captured on camera could be the previous owner? Comment your thoughts.
Kayo na bahala magusga. Kung ano sa tingin nyo, kung maniniwala kayo ng totoo ba yung magano na kung sakasakaling doon pumanaw ang dating may-ari, naiiwan ba ang kanilang kaluluwa? Di ba? Pero sa inyo na yan, sa paniniwala nyo na lang.
This next video was uploaded to TikTok by the user Roy Liz, and it really caught my attention. But before I play the video, just pay attention to what Roy Liz says.
Hello guys, I'm here to answer some questions and to give an update of the ghost video. It is real. It is real for those of you that are saying it's my child. Yes, I have 2 boys, I have a girl, but those 2 boys were with me in my bed. Now this video was a while ago. It is real. At the moment I was recording because I did hear some noise, like somebody was coming to my room, because that's from the kitchen, and this is my room, and the door was open. I always sleep with the door open like that because I got 3 kids and they sleep in their own room in the other side of the house practically, and I can't sleep with the door closed because I feel like something happens or they call me or they're crying, I won't hear them. But yes, it is real. I recorded the video. I did not see it in the moment, but then days after I was watching it again for some reason, and I saw it, and it gives me chills and everything. And I was like, oh my God, is this real? But yes, it is real. My 2 kids were with me in my bed.
As you just heard, Roy Liz claims the following footage she captured on her camera is 100% real. She also states that her kids were asleep in bed with her at the time, and that the reason she started to record was because she heard noises approaching the bedroom door from the kitchen, which was
Mukhang maganda to. Kaya tutukan natin.
unusual for her. However, she didn't notice what she captured on camera until days later, viewing the footage. Here's the video.
Yan na. Ay. Galing, no? Talagang
What looks to be
kinempo
the
na
pale face of
talaga.
a child can be seen peeking in at them and then vanishes. But it's up to you what your thoughts about it. But make sure to like and subscribe, boss, to Tatmaster Chan.
Ang galing din, no? Talagang inabangan niya talaga yung yung paglabas ng bata, no? Pero nakakatakot yun, kung may ganong, kasi iba yung tsura niya, kulay gray, eh.
What looks to be the
Oh.
pale face of a child can be seen peeking in
Ayun, no? Parang nakakatakot may ganyan kakasama sa loob ng bahay.
at them and then vanishes. But it's up to you what your thoughts about
Pero
it.
tanong doon,
Make sure to like and
parang gandang
subscribe,
nahanapin
boss,
sa
to
TikTok yung
Tatmaster
yun,
Chan.
kung anong nangyari na, no? Makiki-isyosyo tayo. Kaya tingnan natin minsan yan, hanapin natin.
This next clip was recorded via CCTV and shows a group of men sleeping in their beds when something absolutely terrifying happens to one of the men. Take a look.
Ay, may ano puti. Ang galing, nakala ko ano lang. Alright. Grabe to.
While the men are sleeping, the door to their room opens on its own, and what is quite difficult to make out looks sort of like a shadow can be seen at the bottom of one of the men's beds. Then, one of the men's legs are raised into the air, and then he's violently pulled by his ankles out of his bed by something we can't see. Now, after reading the comments on this video, allow users report similar incidents happening to them at some point in their lives. I'd like to know if something like this has happened to any of you. If it has, just let me know in the comments if
Nakakatakot ng
you've
ganun.
experienced something like this happen to you.
Oo, sige. Sipin mo, no? Ang lakas din eh, oh.
And what is quite difficult to make out looks sort of like a shadow can be seen at the bottom of one of the men's beds. Then, one of the men's
Ang
legs
lakas din ng ano,
raised
ito,
into the
inangat
air,
din siya, oh.
and then he's violently pulled
Oh.
by his ankles out of his bed
Taas din ng angat,
by
pati ang
something
laking tao.
can't see. Now,
Diba?
after reading the comments
Ayan,
on this
kung
video,
ano, paki-comment daw kung
allow
nangyari
users
din
to
daw
report
sa
similar
buhay
incidents
niya yan. O
happening
kaya
to them
mga
at some
pinapangungot
point in
dyan.
their lives.
Inangat din.
I'd like to know if something like this has happened to any of you. If it has, just let me know in the comments
Let
if
me know
you've
in the
experienced
comments.
something like this happen
Saying
to you.
like things happen to you. Comment down daw kung ano, kung may nangyari rin din katulad ng ganon, pangyayari. At ating pag-usapan yan. Pati nga pala sa mga comment dati ng ano yung nangyari sa kanila. Ang sarap ano yun. Ang sarap tapusin yung kwento nyo. Minsan nga gawa nga tayo ng gano'n na, ano, na yung kwento nyo, gagawa natin ng ano rito na ma-video kunwari. Ano i-edit natin na maganda para sa inyo. Kumbaga parang podcast. Alright, so diretso natin guys.
And now, let's watch how a terrifying incident unfolded while this man was walking down the hallway. And let's see what happened.
Boom.
As you can see in the video, a man walks down a hallway, not suspecting anything to happen to him. What happens when he turns the corner is something nobody wants to experience.
Kumbaga sinurprise talaga siya, no? Buwag mo nun eh. Huli ka. Late ka na. Parang ganun.
What do you
eh.
think? What disturbed him? Can any of you explain this? Group a comment down below.
Pero ang hirap yung ganun din na, ano, na makakita ka ng ganung ano, talagang ano, binulaga ka talaga. Siguro sa iba yan, ano, hinimatay na yan. Diba? Kasi nakakagulat, oh, pagkaliko niya, biglang
What
boom!
happens when he turns the corner is something nobody wants to experience.
Ayan, no? Boom! At nakakatakot dyan, hinatak pa siya papasok. Huli ka na, late ka na eh. Parang ganun, late ka na. Saan ka ba galing? Ayun, no?
What do you think? What disturbed him? Can any of you explain this? Group a comment down below.
Baka yan yung boss talaga nila, yon yung pinaka-comment namin ngayon para sa iyo. Baka boss nila yon. Loko. Pero hindi natin alam, di ba? Kasi siyempre papasok to, di ba? Kasi kung misis niya yon, mas malala dyan ginawa sa kanya, di ba? Parating pa lang siya, may bumabato na. Ayun. Kaya boss niya siguro yon. Ayun. Okay, diretso natin.
And let's discuss it. In this next clip, a man live streams himself sleeping peacefully in bed when something absolutely horrifying happens to him. Take a look.
minute, guys.
Tinatak din.
The man is dragged from his bed onto the floor, which obviously startles him, as it would anyone. Then, while he mentions to his viewers that something just dragged him out of his bed, he then gets violently pulled to the floor and dragged out the room.
Takot yung maganyang
Footsteps
ano.
can be heard, and then the bedroom door slams shut. Now this could all be staged, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments.
Oo. Ang hirap yung mga ganong ano, no, habang natutulog ka, tapos may ganong entity na gagawa sa inyo. Pero sa akin, alis na ako, nakakatakot yung mga, ano nga, kwento nga nyo nga kung may mga nangyayari sa inyong ganyan, o kaya mga bangungot nyo na parang, alam nyo, parang totoo, o kaya nagkatotoo, comment nyo nga yan para pag-usapan natin. At salamat sa inyo ulit mga boss, mga master, sa mga nanonood dyan at sumusuporta sa akin, lalo mga OFW. Maraming salamat sa inyo at sana sa susunod na video na gagawin natin ay kasama ko pa rin kayo. At hanggang sa muli, paalam.